Some of the common problems to look out for is if your mesh is too loose. So this all feels pretty good, and you can actually see across the wall it looks pretty tight and good. There's not wrinkles. There's a little bit up here where we had to work around some existing plaster and things, but we'll be able to flatten that out once it gets filled. And then another really common issue is actually having staples too far apart. This is about as far as you want. That's probably 1.5 inches or so. Any more than that, you might see, because the air pressure is so high when we're installing, we might see insulation come across the face of this stud and build up here and communicate from one cavity to the next. And the other might be, if you miss and you get a row of staples here, you might have a tear, and then when you install, you'll have fiber blow out, or just being sloppy and you make your cut and you don't hang your corners and get everything straight, and you come down here and you've got this extra piece that you need to cut now because you didn't take the time to lay it out when you were hanging it.